Hey guys, Mega here. So today, we finally got a KBD67 Lite. This is the R3 in white, as you can see. But wait, hold on a minute. Do me a favor and hit that like button, hit that sub button, and comment down below if you prefer hot swap or soldered boards. Anyway, on to the video. So KBD67 Lite R3. Don't you just love how KBD fans gives you the complete board, aside from the keycaps and switches of course. In this whole bag, like you have the case, the PCB, you even have stabs. It's all the parts you'll need. This bag isn't bad either. It's good enough for a plastic board like this, and some heavier boards too, but it was made for this board, so I wouldn't use it for something expensive. Of course, with any build we have to test the board, the PCB, just so we don't have any surprises later on. And even if we have the KBD fan stabs, I wasn't sure of the quality that they would give. So I just went with some JWK smoke stabs, and I holy modded them. And don't worry, I lined up the stab wires behind the scenes. And of course, let's not forget the TLC for this premium board, or at least the premium sounding board. I mean, that is what this board is essentially. A board that basically punches way above its weight class. Quite literally actually. Just not the biggest fan of the plate mounting style, you know? By that I mean like the nuts that are ingrained into the plastic PC plate. It's weird. It makes these valleys in the plate, and I don't know how that affects the sound, if it does, but it's sort of uncomfortable for me. And it seems like it makes rebuilding this board have its risks, so it basically limits you from rebuilding this board, which kind of defeats the purpose since it's a hot swap board. I know PC plates are cheap, but why waste? Here's where I appreciate KBD fans a lot more, because they just thought of everything. Like, hey, have to screw a tiny Allen screw? No problem, I got you. Here's a comfortable and easier Allen key for you. You know, it's just the little things. Onto the switches. We have some lubed and filmed glorious Lynx switches. Why? Because they just sound and feel great. And it doesn't break the bank, so why not? So the floors in my room have been a bit dusty and ongoing construction, so I had to do a bit of magic for the switches and keycaps to avoid the dust, you know? And enjoy the sound test, friends. Thanks for watching. Subs and comments are highly appreciated. Questions and violent reactions may or may not be responded to. Stay safe and have a good one.